No, it's not red pepper harvest season, it's red salmon. This is the salmon. After completing their reproductive mission, they sacrifice their lives to pass on hope to the next generation. They are red salmon swimming upstream to complete their only mating in their lifetime after living in the ocean for 3 years. They will cross hundreds of kilometers of ocean guided the Earth's magnetic field, and using their amazing ability to detect the taste of the river, they recognize the river where they were hatched. Red salmon are one of the few fish species in the world can enter freshwater from seawater in the next month. They will swim upstream for 200 kilometers and pass through Lake Eliyama before reaching their spawning ground. This also their final journey in life. Once they enter the river, they stop feeding and put their energy into spawning. They stay here for a few days waiting for the female's eggs to mature, which also gives a chance for another predator. Freshwater seals live in the lake. The second obstacle that salmon face, even though they haven't eaten for 8 weeks, they can still swim faster than their predators. Desperate seals change their hunting strategy. They start playing a game of lying still, waiting for their food to come to them. This is a very rare behavior. What's even more surprising is that they ignore the mate fish swimming by their mouths and focus on catching female fish carrying high-calorie eggs. But when one salmon is eaten, several thousand others pass safely on their long journey. They are covered in scars, finally reaching their spawning ground. Once here, males and females pair up, competing for the best nesting site. They then complete their first and final mating of their lives. The salmon's upstream journey is always a one-way trip. To complete this epic migration, they give everything, including their life. The nutrients in their decaying bodies will nourish this waterway. This sacrifice ensures that the next generation has the best possible start. All of this seems to be designed. Born, swim to the sea, return to spawn, and then stay forever in their birthplace. It's like falling leaves returning to their... This is the salmon after completing their reproductive mission.